So yeah, great, this deal closed in plus. It was our fourth currency pair. I earned over $1,000 in 6 minutes with the help of 2 indicators. What are these indicators? I'll tell you in this video, so watch it full, and then I'll show you how to set it up, how to trade with it, and also show you how it is working in practice. So go. Here we are on our favorite broker, Pocket Option. And we will immediately start setting up our trading space. So I'll also tell you who will watch the video carefully. I will provide approximately 3 bonuses throughout the video so that you can use and increase your profit. So the main thing is to watch the video carefully. The only that you need. Our initial balance today is $70. Our transaction time is 1 minute on the chart itself, so similarly the deal time is 1 minute. We trade on currency pairs, of course. You can see them in the upper area of the screen, so we currency has 6 of them. Next, we use 2 indicators and of course technical analysis. The first indicator is alligator, so here are its parameters. You can copy everything absolutely free of charge, so I'm very kind trader. So you'll show you everything in the open. Further in video, I'll already show you in practice how to analyze them, so how to apply them in trade itself, and also the oscillator we see at the bottom of the screen. You can also copy absolutely everything of its parameter. So pause, I'm not hiding anything, I'm showing you absolutely everything in open, and immediately move on to our first currency pair, where we will begin our trading session today. We open deals for a decrease here. We have 3 moving average and directed to the upper. If blue is at the top, this means a decrease. Red is the average statistical value between these 2 moving average. So on the last chart, we see the shadow and red candle on which we opened. This says that the market is trying to turn around. So at this moment, you don't need to look at our indicators. This is a paradox that turned out to be. This doesn't mean that the indicators say that this is wrong. So that often the indicators say a more general situation, so confirmed by technical analysis and general knowledge in trading. So, but the strategy is still quite simple, don't worry. Now we'll still have a whole 6 currency pair in total. You will understand by the 6 currency pair how to trade. So about bonuses also don't forget. So until the end of the deal, 1 second, and the deal closed at 0. So 0, it's not a minus, so don't be upset. Don't get upset immediately. So yeah, quickly move on to the second currency pair. Now we will increase our balance. 100% of deals, unfortunately, in trading doesn't happen. If everyone would have been reached long ago. So well, we opened these deals for an increase. Let's analyze. By alligator, we still have a little uncertainty since our chart returned a bit. By the oscillator, we have a decrease. So again, the indicators are quite in the skeptical position, but we see we're approaching the 0 mark by our oscillator. And the general trend by our oscillator at the bottom of the screen, which indicator who doesn't understand, also an upward trend, as well as by our chart. So now we have drawn a straight arrow on the chart to see the general trend of our market. So yeah, in the shadows we see a little reversal occurred, but nevertheless, general trend, we have an upward trend and happens. So see on the alligator, green breaks out to the top. On the oscillator soon a green bar will appear. The first bonus that I will give you is a promo code, of course, is in the description. So few ones look there, but who watched the end of the moment, look in the description. So the promo codes give you X2 to replenish your balance. So enter my promo code and instead of $100, you get $200. I think this is a great bonus. So by the way, by oscillator, we already have 1 green bar. I'll immediately open the second great bonus for you guys. This is my free Telegram channel. I repeat, free. I don't ask you to pay something. So for a subscription, just join a private Telegram channel. So in no case pay, no, free Telegram channel. I publish their signals, deals that are going now, publish useful information, useful articles, useful statistics, reviews, useful tips for trading, useful books, bloggers, and so on. So also there is a competition there, so there is a set of my team. There are also promo codes that I constantly update there. You don't need to pay anything, just subscribe to the Telegram channel. So the link is in the description or in the profile header of this YouTube channel. So we're slowly analyzing the following situation. I'm a little bit tired of this talking. So we opened a deal for a fall. By Alligator, guys, we see an increase. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please. I'll be very pleased. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or are disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. So my free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can replicate manually or automatically by connecting to my trading profile, Social Trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. So need to make $50 to $1,000 per day? Join my Telegram group right now. Here you will find success stories of new buys and real results online. So the number of places is limited, so don't miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. So then we see a huge green bar, a huge red bar. Many people would open for a red bar, but since green was quite strongly, we have some kind of recovery of the chart. I repeat, who has been trading for quite a long time. This is a familiar and habitual situation. So we see I highlighted a huge straight line. It was necessary to stay a little longer, but I will not redraw. Our general trend is also an upward trend. If we look at the oscillator, the last 3 bars are similarly green, and the chart, I'll say so, quite confidently holds. Until the end of our deal, we have 5 seconds. I think this deal will close in plus. Of course, we see a fairly large gap from the opening points. Yeah, on this deal closes in plus. On the balance, we already have $226. So we instantly increase the amount of our next deal and move on to the 4th currency pair. We open here quickly the deal for a fall. I repeat, I trade without water, so without unnecessary information, immediately the strategy. I show how to apply it in practice. Here on Alligator we have a downward trend, so then we opened on the red candle, which is a huge shadow in the upper position. So now I show this arrow so that you understand here exactly this moment is. So, and after which I highlight the general trend. So yeah, we have 1 green bar, although we opened the deal for a fall, but this green bar due to 3 actually green candles. Nevertheless, it was a small reversal, so reversals happen both in one direction and the other, so here they are inevitable. But nevertheless, most likely with a higher probability, according to our indicators, we can highlight that the general trend will go a little down, at least below our opening point. So until the end of the deal, we have 5 seconds left. Let's wait until the deal closes. So yeah, great, this deal closed in plus. It was our 4th currency pair. Yeah, the amount of the deal will immediately increase and we will move on to the 5th currency pair. Moved quickly to the 5th one. We open the deal here for a fall. Let me tell you why we opened the deal for a fall here. We can see on the Alligator a decline, blue sliding prevails. This is the first signal for this deal, which we look at. Then we see on the oscillator we have a similar situation of the decline. On the oscillator some bars are missed, so don't worry, this is some small bug. In general, a downward trend. The trend is supported in the shadow, so we see that we try to roll back, but a little we didn't succeed. Now we are going to the 2nd attempt. This is a pretty good. So yeah, also the 3rd, I'll give a bonus to those who watched till this moment, until the 5th currency pair. The 3rd bonus, it's quite simple. You go to the video tab and watch my absolutely any video. So you will see that I'm telling you all the true information for free. So I constantly show you how to trade with the help of what we trade. For example, now I show in practice. For example, as in this video, I showed you the strategy, showed absolutely all the indicators and its parameters that I use, so all the settings. And the third stage, of course, I show you an example how to trade with the help. I explain literally how and what, where to look for you, so you can also open any of my video. I will tell you about any strategy. I have other strategies that I reveal to you, and there will also be similar information as in this video. So yeah, there are other indicators. Yes, there is a slightly different property of the strategy, but nevertheless, I show everything openly. I hope you will appreciate and subscribe and like this YouTube channel. And of course, my Telegram channel too. So hope you will trust me more, since I don't publish successful results only, so like many do on Instagram, I show everything specifically in practice without water. And so I remind you, the promo code is in the description to replenish your X2 balance. I'll also be very pleased if you use it. This is already our 6th currency pair, and we have identified a certain area of resistance with which we will go to the upper position. Since on the red bar who saw we collided down. So on the alligator we have an upward trend. According to our oscillator, also an upward trend, at least one red bar due to one red candle, so there is. But nevertheless, in this case, we need to look at the general concept of the chart, which is going up, so which is very important in our situation at the moment, until the end of the deal. Now a second, and awesome. Great, this deal is closed in plus, and on the balance we have overcome the mark of $1,000. So I remind you that we started with less than $100, with $60 only. So let's summarize. We have 6 currency pairs. This is 6 minutes of trading. As always, we got over than $1,000 in 6 minutes. All the information you can find here in YouTube channel or in my free Telegram channel, so I don't take money from you. So go to the Telegram channel, there are signals, there are useful information there, so you can copy all the deals data there. Also in Instagram you can find the settings of the indicators, or you can post it in this YouTube video or other video. So there are also different strategies, personal information, different advice about trading, so different advice for you to read, for you to watch, who to watch, so which I recommend in addition to myself, of course, the best one. So of course there are a lot of promo codes that I give on a regular basis every week, so you can go and just watch my Telegram channel and subscribe if you like it. So it was Kitty, thank you for watching. I think and I hope you liked this video, so put your likes, subscribe, and see you soon in my new video. Bye bye.